So you are in the 12th class and getting tense about which courses you should enroll in after your 12th. So check out the full video and you'll be get to know which courses you have as an option and what will you be after. So before selecting any course, I would strongly recommend you to please go through the whole curriculum of the course, particular course, and then only get enrolled in the course. Because this will help you to know which subjects you will be learning, what you will be after becoming or after clearing that particular course. So before talking about the courses, I will try to help you out how to choose your course. So first of all, follow your passion. Whatever the passion you have, whatever the course you want to pursue, or your childhood dream, please go with that. Do not listen others. Just listen, what do you want to do? What do you want to pursue? The second thing is, if you do not have any passion or any planned thing, then go with your subjects. Whichever the subject you like to study most, please go with that. And the third case where you are like me, which was not interested in a single subject, I love to study almost all subjects. So you can go with the subject which has obtained, in which you have obtained highest number of marks. So that will help you to motivate it throughout your course. And again, I also recommend you to please take advice from your elders and teachers. They know you well. They know in which course you will be benefited, and which course is suitable to your personality, and which course will make you to be a next professional. So try to do that. Now let's look into the career options you can have. So the video is this part of the video is divided into 3 parts. First, we will be talking about some professional courses. Then we will be talking about some diploma courses, who can do diploma and how you can do that. And the third is some graduation courses. So the professional courses. For professional courses means you will be getting a very detailed and enhanced knowledge. So this is a very highly recognized and requires you to put more efforts into the course whichever you join the following. So the first is chartered accountancy or a CA. You must have heard this word any time means during your 11th and 12th, because this is a very popular among commerce students. Most students join the course, but yeah, it is one of the hardest hardest exams in India, so you need to be prepared for it accordingly. It requires you to obtain or enhance your knowledge in accountancy, taxation, costing, auditing. So these are the courses which are very new to you. You will be learning all these courses throughout the journey. Another thing you need not to know is there is no college for this. So a body named as Indian Institute of Chartered Accounting, or ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accounting, which is a body which handles from your registration to time you become a CA. So all the works does happen under the same organization or body. You just need to give exams, and once you clear your exams, you will be a CA. But the maximum time it takes 5 years, or 4 to 5 years to be a CA. But it depends how long you take to clear the exams. You need not to go to college in this case, because you just need to prepare for the exams, sit for the exams, and clear the exams. That's the all theory. There is another likewise course which is company secretary. I'm talking about the second course, company secretary. If you want to remain in the domain of corporate world, also want to enhance your knowledge in legal services and law, so this course is perfectly for you. Now talking about the third course, which is the cost accountant, where you will be a cost accountant and driving out the cost of the favorite products. You might be using your phone, and the cost of this and the product price value at which you have purchased is derived by a cost accountant. So this is the work of a cost accountant. Again, there is a different body for it, and again you need not to go to college. So before moving further, I just want to clear, before taking admission into any course, please go through the whole curriculum. Do not follow your friends or relatives or parents who just say you to get into the course and blindly follow that. Please go through the course, see how much time does it take to complete, how much subjects you will have to study, which subjects you have to study. then only get into the course. If it suits you, if you think you will be able to do that, then only get into that. Then only get into the course. Now coming to the next course, which is media and journalism, and you might have heard it. If you get fascinated with any anchor on the TV or a news channel, so I think media is your cup of tea. You should join media and journalism course. There are various colleges, separate colleges, like I would say, separate colleges which do media and journalism course, a 5-year program, where you learn all these things, how to be a media journalist, and how you learn how to report from the grounds, on the grounds. Now talking about the next course, which is LLB. So this is a course which LLB student, which art student, art stream student or a commerce student both can do that course. And this course requires you to obtain knowledge in legal laws. How does your constitution work? How does our constitution work? How does legal services do? Main courses are some courses which you might have heard of, very often. So these courses are like actuary. So actuary is a course which needs you to be graduated first. So you can only sit for the exam once you are graduated. And now let's talk about what the course is actually all about. So the course helps you to increase your knowledge in risk analysis. It helps you to develop the analytical skills where you will be analyzing the risk. Percentage of risk can be an insurance policy, for example, or anything. So generally, insurance companies will hire you, and you will be analyzing the risk, percentage of risk, composition of a risk in any insurance policy. So how much risk is there, how much a company can lose if insurer or insurer does not pay, or insurer does not pay and all. So this all the things. Some courses like CFA, CPA. So CFA is a course which is completely based on finance. If you are interested in financial companies, companies financials, companies balance sheet, profit and loss, and want to know how to invest in a company, how much you should invest in a company, or not only a company but different organizations or different investment schemes and investments. So if you're like that, if you want to know and want to work in such a domain, then I think CFA is your kind of course. But again, it needs you to be graduated, and again there is a different body which registers. Then the next option you can have is CPA. It is a like chartered accountancy course, but it is a worldwide accepted course. If you want to work abroad, so this course is just perfectly for you. And if you are a commerce student and want to work abroad, stay in the accounting domain, so this is like a chartered accountancy course but accepted worldwide. And there can be some other courses which are outside the domain of commerce stream, but you can do that. So basically, if you have developed some interest in technology or the things which is outside the commerce stream domain and belongs to science stream, or you just ended up taking commerce accidentally but you were not interested, then I would say try to take diploma first on the basis of 10 in any field. There can be diploma in any field or anything which you want to do, and then try to take your future bachelor's degree on the basis of that. So I'm not, because there are lots of number of diplomas in this, so there is no need to make a list of all these diplomas. Likewise, there are various institutions in India also and abroad also where you can work with, and where you studied and complete your diploma. Now coming to the next part of the video, which is graduation. So at today's time where the competition is so high, everyone is competing with each other and others. In this competitive world, you need to be graduated at least, but there is no value to but professional courses are much obviously higher. This is a fact that professional courses are highly accepted by the children, by the students, than graduation. But graduation has its own value. You should do graduation. If you are doing the professional courses, you can also do graduation from online platforms or online or distance learning medium. So you can do some. There are lots of universities which provide you distance learning graduation system, so you can do it with that. Now coming to regular, if you want to do regular, then go with BCom or BCom honors. So BCom or BCom honors both are graduation courses, and the basic difference between these two courses are the BCom honors is a very detailed enhanced course where you will be learning detail, and the plus point is only math students who has taken math as an optional subject in their 12th class can only opt BCom honors, while BCom is very overview course which does not go in depth, as well as the BCom does not require you to be maths. Now coming to the fact that what would you be after you completed your BCom or BCom honors. So you will be an accountant, or you will be working like that data entry, or you can be a income tax or GST file practitioners. These words might not be your kind of words till this time, but yeah, when you'll be getting into the course, you'll start knowing and learning these things easily and from your surroundings. Now next is, if you're interested in economics during an 11th and 12th, I would recommend you to go with BA Economic Honors. It is very recognized course throughout the country, and it is also very course which has highest number of vacancies throughout the year. So you can do this course. Here you will be a statistician or risk analysis and all, so you'll be learning the basic concepts to a very extreme level of concepts in economics. Either it is micro or macro, learning all the things, all the basic concepts you have learned till yet. Now coming to the last, if you were a student who was interested in business, so this course is perfectly for you. That is business, Bachelor's of Business Administration, BBA. If you are looking for a dream for MBA after your graduation, so any of the courses that I mentioned just before can equivalently eligible to pursue your MBA, so you can do with that. But BBA helps you to directly relate the things with MBA, and you'll be learning business. So you're learning everything in detail, and you'll develop managerial skills and management in your field. If you want me to make any video on the courses I just mentioned before in the video, you can let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to my channel for future updates. Till then, goodbye, stay tuned, and take care.